तो कैसे हैं दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है अंकित। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज के वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं सरफेस वेब, डार्क वेब एंड द मिस्टीरियस वेब विच इज आल्सो नोन एज मेरियाना वेब एंड सम फैक्ट्स रिलेटेड टू दिस टॉपिक। एंड सो वॉच टिल एंड लाइक द वीडियो। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं विदाउट एनी डिले। तो दोस्तों पहला जो वेब है वो है सरफेस वेब, जिसे हम विजुअल वेब, इंडेक्सेबल वेब एंड लाइट नेट के नाम से जानते हैं। इट इज़ द पोर्शन ऑफ वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब दैट इज readily available to the general people. The surface web is the what user access in their regular day-to-day activity. The surface web consists of only 10% of information that is on the internet. The mainly example of surface web includes Facebook, YouTube, Wikipedia and regular blogging websites. Basically everything that we can see on any search engine result page is surface web. The question is, how much bigger is the deep web than the surface web? Basically, public information on the deep web is currently 400 to 500 times larger than commonly defined World Wide Web. The deep web contains 7,500 terabyte of information compared to 19 terabyte of information in the surface web. The dark web, basically a collection of websites that have hidden IP addresses and may require special software to access. The dark web is only a small fraction, like 0.1% of the deep web, which contain internet content that is not searchable by your standard search. The deep web is the 99% of the internet you can search on the search engine. As per rough estimates, the deep web makes up 95% of the internet. The information in deep web is not indexed and consists mainly of passwords, corporate data, emails, social media related data. Dark web, which is also known as hidden internet, darknet, also known as dark web, and it is the deepest layer of the web belonging to officially to deep web. However, unlike the deep web, which does not require software to access, a user must use dedicated software to use it, like such as Tor software. To use the deep web, you need a special browser, for example Tor. It is the most popular one, but alternative includes Freenet, GNU Nut, Hotspot Shield. Each of these also help you to achieve some level of anonymous communication while browsing the internet. Deep web, also known as hidden web, is the part of www that typical search engine cannot index. This layer consists of biggest part of web content. To access this, you have to use deep web search engine like DeepPeep, IncyVincy. The dark web is also a place where criminals exploit its anonymity environment to sell guns, drugs, and humans. Also, if your data was leaked in a data breach, it is highly likely that this is where it will be put up to for sale. Darknet can be accessed only by using dedicated technology like Tor 12p. Here is a list of top dark web users per country and respective market share. United States 34.81%, Russia 11%, Germany 7.16%, Netherlands 6% and France 3.29%. The deep web rests below the surface and account approximately 90% of all websites. The dark web hosts all kinds of illegal activity, many of which are buying and selling firearms, drugs, fake passport and stolen accounts. The dark web is only a small fraction of deep web, constituting only 0.01% and 5% of the total internet. Now you will think about what is Tor and Onion router. Let's talk about it. Tor is a free software program that you load into your computer, like browser that hide your IP addresses. Every time you spend or request data on the internet, the process is layered with heavy duty encryption, which means your data is layered with privacy protection. The Tor browser is slow because it routes data via 3 layers, means server for your privacy. The Onion router Tor was developed by US Naval Research Laboratory employee Paul Syverson. The Tor browser enables people to access the dark web. While many associate the dark web with illegal activities, the Tor network has also a number of legitimate uses. This includes communicating or browsing in country, implementing internet censorship, Now you can think that can I access the dark web on a phone? Yes, the Tor browser is a pathway to the dark web. Android has an official Tor browser app, so you can download that directly. You don't need a look to alternative. Click on the app icons and open Tor browser. Here are some crimes you might encounter while navigating the dark web, like arms trafficking, drugs trafficking, cryptocurrency scams, NFT scams, phishing scams, and sale of stolen credential and data. The next question will be, why do people use dark web? Basically for perform illegal activities, conduct military and police investigation, and hold political protest and surf the internet anonymously. Pros of dark web: basically it does not require censorship, platform for political activism and anonymous browsing. And the last and the mysterious Mariana Web. The Mariana Web is a darker, deeper and more dangerous part of the deep web. It is believed that this is the part of web contains the secret of powerful agencies. The most disturbing website on the internet can be found here. Mariana Web, the darkest corner of internet, which claim to have data such as location of Holy Grail and unpublished Vatican incident and stories which is impossible to hack. Now question arises, how to access Mariana Web? It is accessed by using a network quantum computer with software architecture that can store and process information on artificially modified photons. Quantum computer allow particles to exist in two states simultaneously. This structural instability means it is possible to hack for hackers to penetrate. Mariana Web is possible, but technology required to create such is not available right now. Sycamore is a quantum computer created by Google's Artificial Intelligence Division. It has 53 qubits.
आपके सामने एक बड़ा सा रेड बटन है,
तो उसे दबा दीजिए. Thanks for watching my video. तब तक के लिए have a nice day. See you soon.